everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today, I'll be guiding you through the process on how to recover your Sparklight account password when you've forgotten your password and don't remember it at all. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon since you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Now, let's move on. The first thing you'll need to do is click open your web browser and type in sparklight.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website. In order to log in, click on the customer login link at the upper right. As soon as you do that, you'll end up in the login page of Sparklight. Now, in order to change your password, the first thing you'll need to do is to enter your username in the first text field. Type it in carefully and correctly and move on to the next step. Now, as you can see that you'll need to enter the password in order to log in, but since we don't know what the password is, you can go and click on the password link right here, which says forgot your password or forgot your username. You can also recover your username if you don't remember the username as well. Let's try resetting that password. Click on this link that says password. A new tab will open where you can reset your password by entering your information. Type in your username and enter the image text in the next field. You can see a text over here at the bottom. Simply type in the text, correct, and after you are done, click on the next button. On the next page, you'll need to verify yourself by answering some security questions. Answer it correct and it will take you to a next page where you can create a new password for your account. After you change your password updates will be recorded and it will be active right away. That is how you can reset your forgotten password for your Sparklight account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.